So, more than a week later, we have finally done day 5 of insanity. Day 5! And day 5 is what you might be asking. Pure cardio. Now, I'm not even about to direct this to Shanti, you know. I don't have anything to say to Shanti today. My question today is to people who don't sweat. How dare you do insanity and not sweat? I am looking at these people in these videos, you know, and not one spot is coursing down their bodies, you know. And I am to be led to believe that this thing is not edited, you know. Like, it's one straight something, them now stop and pat off, nothing fine. Yes, some people are melting down their own skin. Some people, them entire face run down to them knee. Warm to the people, them who don't sweat. What happened to you? What exactly is wrong with you why you don't sweat? Something is not right. You're not pushing. You're not digging deep. If you are not pushing, you're not digging deep. And I know that there are people who don't sweat as much as other people, but I feel if you're doing insanity and you're not sweating, it's because you're not digging, and Shanti is displeased. Next thing. Yeah. Because I'm a jock. I just wipe my face with my shirt. I don't bother with towels and anything there. So, let me just tell you something. You see, some of these things that Shanti want me to do, I can't do them. So I don't do them. I make up my own version. For example, a push-up jack. A push-up jack is not a real thing. Exercises are not people. They cannot mate and make a new thing. A push-up and a jumping jack cannot have a baby and make a push-up jack. Those are two separate things. So you see when Shanti tell me that I must do push-up jack and him start to push him body up and down and the jumping jack with him legs, you know what I do? I do plank walks. I just step across like this. I go into plank or as close as I can get to plank. And I just step across like this. And I tell myself that I feel good because I can feel it doing work right here and how my chest just strung up like this and I soon get pectorals. That is what I tell myself. And you see when he tell me that I must go into a deep lunge, especially because he gave me permission and told me that if I can't do the deep lunge, I must do something else. I don't bother to do the deep lunge. What I do is I just go into a regular lunge because I see some people lunging and this is the ground and this is the back of them foot on the ground. The back of your calf is not supposed to can touch the ground. That's not what was intended when people were made. That's just wrong. So I don't do these things. And I don't, if you are doing insanity and you feel bad because you cannot do the things, don't feel bad. I can't do them either. I can't do them either. But just do what you can because, okay, so today something good happened. I stopped doing, clearly you can't do anything in this workout without stopping, right? But usually like, you know, if I do like 15 seconds and I stop, that is it for the rest of the minute. I've just stopped and that is it. But I found myself jumping back in there because I said to myself, you know, Carla, you always say that you're going to make it up tomorrow. But tomorrow you only have enough energy to do whatever exercise you have to try and murder you off tomorrow. So you know what? You give everything you have to give today. And then let tomorrow fend for itself. So I'm just jump back in and try to know. I'm not going to say that I was great at it. But I feel good because at the end of the workout, I know I'm going to do everything we can do today. And tomorrow I'm going to have to go in there and try and make up for the last time. So, hooray me. Non-sweating people sorting yourself out. If it is that you need to splash water on your face so I don't feel bad about being a sweaty, nasty mess, do what you can. It's unfair to the rest of us to sit there looking like that. Okay? Shanti, I'll get you tomorrow. I have things to say to you, but not today.